Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Gilbert. Good morning, Miss Cornelia. Well, that is pleasant. No, no, don't go. Don't go, please. I want to ask you about this bonnet. Oh, yes, yes, do tell me what they said at the minister's. Was it very bad? Yes. Oh, yes, it was very bad. You know, there's nothing like a good cry to take off the edge of things. Just leave it right there, will you, Diana? And come and have tea with me tomorrow. We'll have that big slice of Mrs. Grant's plum cake that Aunt Thomas brought up, and we'll talk it all over. We always have such nice, long talks, don't we, Anne? Yes, we do. And we always feel so much better afterward. I'm so glad you came. Do come again soon, will you? Now, Diana, dear, your father must be coming along presently. How did he take the news? He took it very hard, Marilla. He took it very hard, though. Of course, he's trying to be brave for my sake. But sometimes when I see his eyes looking down into the fire, I fear he doesn't feel as brave as he pretends. Come here, Diana. Come here and let me give you a hug. We are truly sorry for you, Diana. Truly sorry. Thank you, Marilla. Thank you, Anne. It's kind of you to say that. I know it must seem very lonely for me now, but really it isn't. I am never lonely when I'm alone. I'm never lonely now, Anne. Why should I be lonely when I have the companionship of all my dreams and the whole wide universe besides? Do you remember how we used to lie out here, Anne, and talk about the universe and how we felt ourselves to be its fellow heirs? Yes, I remember. We felt that way then, Marilla. And I still feel that way, only in a different, more helpful way. My feeling has ripened into action, Marilla. I am helping my fellow heirs of the universe now by doing my best for those about me. Yes, I know you are, Anne. And it makes me so happy to know that you have found a greater purpose than yourself. Oh, I have found it, Marilla. I have found it. There is no greater joy in this world than to help some poor, struggling soul to peace and quiet and happiness. That is the real secret of life, Marilla. That is why I am going to be a teacher. That is why I am going to write books. That is why I am going to do everything that helps and uplifts my fellow human beings. Anne, your ideals are beautiful, but don't you think you are being a little hard on yourself? Hard on myself? Oh, no, Marilla. I've got lots of time and lots of strength and lots of enthusiasm. I have all the strength of the healthy, the courage of the fearless, the hope of the innocent, the enthusiasm of youth, and above all, the love of the eternally unselfish. If I cannot do great things, I will do small ones. But whether great or small, they shall be done with such a wholeheartedness that the world cannot help seeing them and feeling their power. Yes, Anne, the world will see them and feel them. So will the universe. Well, I wish you wouldn't talk that way, Anne. You scare me. Scare you, Marilla? Oh, no. No, I'm just afraid you might get tired and discouraged. Oh no, Marilla. My ideals may be lofty, but I have common sense enough to know that the road to them is sometimes rough and stony and overgrown with weeds. But I have learned something since I saw you last, Marilla. Yes, I've learned that sometimes the most thorny path is the only way to reach the sweetest flower. You always were a dreamer, Anne, but you are becoming less of a dreamer and more of a doer every day. I think I see more signs of common sense and worldly wisdom dawning on you all the time. See, Anne, I knew you would come around to the sensible view of things in the end. I always did have faith in you. Oh, Marilla, you've always been so good to me. What would I have done without you? What indeed, Anne? What indeed?